Hello. I was trying to sort out the fences on the crops allotment as I wasn't happy with the temporary measures I put in to stop people just wandering in. First we started with the green fence I put up between the shed and the hedge soon after I got the allotment. It's wedged in tightly, but I thought it needed to be tied to something heavy on the back so that it couldn't be pulled or pushed from the outside. So I put some heavy pallets behind it and tied it to them using some thick wire. This wire is quite thick and hard to bend, so it won't be easy to cut or twist from the other side. So it's around those pallets. See, it's quite tough to do. It's difficult to do one-handed, so I'll have to do that. And this is going to that pallet. So this ain't shifting. Then I had to sort out the fence I put at the back of the allotment to separate my allotment from the one behind it. This fencing is just become a ladder for bindweed and other things to just climb up. So I've decided this is no good up here where it is, because it needs something solid here, otherwise all the weeds from the other side just keep coming through, and then it's a nightmare to sort of untangle bindweed out of this. It's no good here. Got to take it out, replace it with something solid. And of course I've got all these pallets leaning on the fence now, so not only have I got to clear all this stuff out to get it out, I've got to remove all the pallets as well. Amazing how quickly this stuff grows. It is just incredible. We've got thin gloves, so I've got to be careful where they're like brambles. So I need to cut those out. Put thicker gloves on and come and cut those brambles out as well. Right. Don't have to go very far. I can just drop them over here for the moment. I'm not on top of the apple tree, but just over there. Okay, I've rolled that up. Now there's some bindweed stuck to it, but that'll just dry and then I can just take it off and get rid of it. But now I've got this bit of fencing in the way now. Well, that's one fixed and one taken down so that it can be replaced with something better. Goodbye for now and come back soon.